So I find it interesting that Representative Holt's amendment to the Senate version of this, to be more concise, eliminates the word mothers. That's how we make it more concise. We're going to really make it more concise. We're going to limit one word, and that word is mothers. Completely eliminated from this amendment. I don't know what to say to that. Mothers as people are no longer in this. Usually, when we talk about abortion, we talk about both. We talk about the mothers and unborn children, at least. That's what the Senate did. We didn't even do that. We've completely eliminated mothers from the equation. This is new territory, people. This amendment, this bill, is an attempt to turn back the clock to some imaginary time when there were no abortions. I have read all 200 court cases in the state of Iowa on abortion. Any case that mentions the word abortion, I've read it. There were abortions, and they were horrific. Women died. They bled to death. They got infections. They tried to give themselves abortions because they were so desperate. Today, abortion is very safe. It is one of the most safe medical procedures that one can have. And we're talking about taking that away because of judicial overreach. Okay. The thing is, this concern about late-term abortions or public funding of abortions, if you wanted to do that, you could just say that. I wouldn't support that, but if you wanted to do that, you could just say that in this amendment. That's not what this amendment does. It completely eliminates the right to abortion altogether under any circumstances. You don't have a right for rape. You don't have a right for incest. You don't have a right to save the life of the mother. Clearly, now it's very explicit with this secondary amendment that eliminates mothers from the equation altogether. And if you thought that that Supreme Court decision went too far, that it set a new standard that we didn't like, that maybe we need to return it to something more like the federal nuance that came from the U.S. Supreme Court, you could have done that too, but you didn't. This bill completely eliminates the right to abortion altogether under all circumstances. This is, by all accounts, an extreme bill. Iowans don't support this. I'm sorry to tell you, but they don't. I urge you to vote no.